Behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, and we have robots moving in qualification match number 59. Currently right now, over on the blue line side, we have Team 1414 over near the feeding station, as well as on the other side, Team 1771 already with a couple up on L4. Now, going into the teleoperated period, Red has a lead of 27-9. And it's anyone's game. Team 1771 dropping another one on L4 with a coral. And another on L4 for Team 1771 North Gwinnett Robotics. Over on the other side, Team 1261 trying to grab a piece of coral in their intake, and they're able to from the floor. Going up, and they score for Robo Lions. Team 3091 100 Scholars with a piece of algae to go ahead, put in a processor, going ahead to try to deploy it, and it looks like they may be having some issues. Over on the other side, Team 1771 with a piece of algae. They go ahead, and they're trying to go ahead and fling it up, and they score for Team 1771. Currently right now, Red has a lead 48-25. Over on the other side, Team 1261 going ahead, trying to go ahead and score another on L4. And it looks like it drops out and drops off from the reef. And 3091 able to deploy finally one of the algae through the processor. Over on the other side, Team 1414 IHOP playing defense against Team 1771 and playing a little bit against 4509 Mechanical Bulls. Team 1771 able to deploy another on L3 for the Red Alliance. Team 1414 getting hot and heavy on over by the processing station. Team 1771 getting around their defense, and another piece of coral gets into their robot. 1414 not letting up against Team 1771, and 1771 able to score again. It's right about a 15-point lead over to the Red Alliance. With 40 seconds left in this game, anything can happen. Team 3091 stuck on a piece of algae, but they're able to get around it. Team 1261 able to grab another piece of coral. Going up to the reef for the Blue Alliance, and they're able to score on L4. Over on the Red Alliance side, Team 1414 doing a little bit of blocking over by the feeding station, trying to exhaust Team 1771. But with right about 20 seconds left, it's a 7-point differential between the Red and Blue Alliances. It is anyone's game with right about 5 points separating Red and Blue. With 5 seconds left, Team 1771 trying to go ahead and hang. Blue Alliance with 2 robots under the barge, and time has expired. We'll see how the scores work out for qualification match number 59. All right, let's take a look at that score for qualification match number 59. And Red takes it with a score of 75-70, 5-point differential to the Red Alliance. Now with that, 1771 maintains their #1 rank with those 4 ranking points. 4509 moving up to 17. Unfortunately, 1261 dropping down to 12. 1414 IHOP dropping down to 16. And 3091 100 Scholars dropping down to 21. That's qualification match number 59 of a total of 68. Remember, after you finish your last match for today, make sure you get your robots re-inspected by our wonderful robot inspectors so you are ready for the playoffs. Also, remember, after we finish match number 68, make sure your team of 3 representatives, which can be 2 students and a coach or 3 students, is ready by the blue queuing section to be able to be ready for alliance selection, which will start right after we finish match number 68.